Is recovering from serious injuries after his attorney says he was hit by a garbage truck in the South Valley. Now we're hearing from witnesses as the man seeks support from the city. And thanks for joining us this evening. Good evening to you. I'm Warren Armstrong.
And I'm Margot Kim. That crash happened on Orange and A Streets in Porterville last month. Action News South Valley reporter Eliza Navarro joins us live from the scene with more about the man's injuries and the claim filed with the city. Eliza?
The owners of this business across the street, Beck's Foreign Car Services, tell me they heard a loud boom hit their fence on this corner we're showing you right now and ran out immediately. Now, they found the man who was hit lying in the middle of this street, and after 3 weeks of intense care, he has a long road of recovery ahead. Now, this is a story you'll see only on Action News.
On October 24th, 41-year-old Enrique Martinez was about to cross A Street in Porterville when he was struck by a city garbage disposal truck.
When I came out, I saw the guy laying on the ground. He asked me what happened. You know, he said about two things to me. First, he said he couldn't breathe, and then he asked what happened.
Martinez was initially taken to Sierra View Medical Center before getting transferred to Cahuilla Health and CRMC in Fresno. His attorney, Shamsi, says he was intubated for half that time and underwent multiple surgeries. Now, Martinez is facing a long road to recovery.
Thank God my client is alive. He's undergone several injuries, has major damages. It's a broken humerus, broken scapula, broken ribs in the back, and collapsed lung.
These pictures from witnesses show the city truck on its side after the crash. Tire marks on the sidewalk, a bent fence, and broken cement are also spotted on the scene.
I looked over, and I could see the garbage truck tilted up a bit, and that's when it hit the corner, hit the pole, hit our fence.
Monday morning, Martinez was released from the hospital, and Shamsi submitted a claim with the city about the crash, which he hopes is accepted.
Because he gets all the medical attention that he needs, and that, the city ends up, taking responsibility for what they did. We don't think it was intentional. It's an accident, and accidents happen.
Shamsi says if the city doesn't accept the claim, they can file a lawsuit. Now, we reached out to the city and the police department and haven't received a comment back. Live in Porterville, Eliza Navarro, ABC 30 Action News.